First edition Hemingway, Proust, even Shakespeare. But here, look at this, he said, reaching past her to pick out a book. He leaned in close, and she could smell his body, salty and fresh, sun, sea, and woods. Zola RST edition of Urs Ruckween, he announced proudly. Sarah beamed, holding the book. This is incredible. She wasn't sure if she was talking about the book or him. I knew you would think so. It's been here for so long. There's so much to explore here if you have time to really look. Each charming smile shone again. Sarah touched the book gently and smelled the paperwood and dust. I must be pretty closed off, she said. I thought I knew all the good bookstores in the city. Lawrence took her hand again. I've got a confession to make, he said. She smiled, uncertain. I've watched you in the park for a bit, a few times before the other day. That was just the RST time you noticed. Sarah felt her face ush. She was attered but cautious. You did. Why? You just seemed lost. And I was curious about you. I wondered what a woman like you was doing all alone in the park. And when I saw you reading so intensely, as if no one else was around, I realized I needed to know more about you. He looked intently at her. I'm sorry, I don't usually do this. He smiled apologetically. No, it's all right, she said. I don't know why, but it is. It's just, you said I seemed lost. Sometimes it feels like I seem that way to everyone. She shook off the subject, looking straight into his eyes. In the dusky obscurity of the bookstore, their deep blue was transfixing. Without warning, he pulled her to him and kissed her. She felt his tongue open her lips, and she let him in, fading away with each caress of his tongue. A moment, she pulled away. She shivered a bit, covering it with a laugh as he brushed her hair back from her face. We don't know anything about each other, Sarah whispered. It seemed all she could do was let him know how crazy this was. But then he kissed her again, and all her doubts slipped away. His time, it was his turn to pull back, and as he did, his hand closed around hers, holding the book. It's yours, he said. What do you mean? She blushed, confused. He nodded, pride in his eyes. I ordered it for you. I had it waiting for me. But how did you know that I would come here with you today? She asked. I didn't, he said, shrugging. But I hoped you would.